This is how to make a poster in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, go to New Project, and the easiest way to create a poster is to use a poster template. So choose Posters, then select a template, okay, let's start with a simple one. Then you can start editing your poster template. So just click Open as Templates. Then you have your poster template. You can now customize this template. On the left panel, you have the figures. These are the images, the .cls, .sty, and the main one is the .text. And for the reference, this is your sample.bib. So after editing your poster template, you can download by going to this icon right here. You can download as a PDF, or you can download as the source, .zip, or a Word document. So this is how to make a poster in Overleaf.